Two triangles are similar. If they are similar, that means one is an exact enlargement of the other, and have corresponding lengths of 4 and 6 centimeters. That's 4 centimeters, that's 6 centimeters. The smaller triangle has an area of 11 centimeters squared. Find the area of the larger triangle. This is called similarity. So before looking at this problem, consider the following two squares. So here we have a square and another square. This square is 2 by 2, and this one is 3 by 3, which means the length ratio is going to be 2 to 3, 2 to 3. However, the area of this is 2 times 2, which is 4, and the area of this one is 3 times 3, which is 9. So the area ratio will be 4 to 9. Now, stop the video and have a look to see if you can find a relationship between the length ratio and the area ratio. You should have noticed that the area ratio is equal to the length ratio squared. For example, 4 to 9 is the same as 2 squared, which is the length ratio here, to 3 squared, which is the length ratio here. And this is the main point of this. And note that the length ratio, if you've got the area ratio, then you need to take the square root of the area ratio, so you can work backwards. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. Right, if you know that, then this problem becomes very easy. So the area ratio is the length ratio squared. The length ratio, we've already said, is 4 to 6. Now, if you can simplify this, which you can, because this becomes a ratio of 2 to 3, then you should always do that first, if possible. Just makes the numbers a bit easier. And therefore the area ratio will be 2 squared to 3 squared. This simplifies by dividing each of these, by the way, by 2. Now, which is 4 to 9. Now, we require the area of the larger triangle. So if it's a larger triangle, then we need to go from here to here. We need to multiply the area of this one by 9 over 4. So the area of the larger triangle is going to be A, which is 9 over 4 times the area of the smaller triangle, which is 11. And using the fraction button on a calculator, we're going to get 99 over 4, which is 24.75 centimeters squared. If we round off to 3 significant figures, that would be 24.8 centimeters squared. Now, if you wanted to go from find the smaller given the larger, then you're going the opposite way, then what you would multiply by here going this way is 4 over 9. So all you do is take the reciprocal of that fraction to invert it, 4 over 9. So 4 over 9 times 24.75, the one that's not rounded off, is equal to 11 centimeters squared. So bear in mind here, the scale factor, because we're going from the smaller to the larger, is always going to be greater than 1. And when we're going from the larger to the smaller, the scale factor will be between 0 and 1. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find areas using similarity given a length ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.